Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to overlay in Alight Motion using your mobile device. Overlaying elements in Alight Motion involves layering images, videos, text, or other elements on top of each other to create a composite effect. So here is how you can easily do it. First of all, open your Alight Motion application from your mobile device and make sure that you are in this main home page. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen in order to start a new project. Choose your desired resolution, frame rate, and background color, and then tap on Create Project. Once you create a project, import your base media. Tap on the plus button at the bottom right and select Media to import an image or a video you want to use as your base layer. Once you select an image or video clip, add another media you want to overlay. But you can also, of course, resize this first layer according to your preference. Once you do that, go ahead and tap on plus at the bottom right once again and select media again. Choose another image, text, or video you want to overlay. Once you choose the overlay media, go ahead and adjust it according to your preference, resize it, or place it where you want it to appear. You can drag it to the desired location and adjust its size using the handles appearing on the screen. After you do that, you can also add other layers if needed, such as text or images. And once you are done with it, adjust blending and capacity for your overlay layer. Select your overlay layer by tapping on it and then go to blending and opacity from the bottom right. Now that you get to this page, simply drag the slider right next to the blending icon and then adjust the transparency of the overlay element. You can also choose effects to add visual effects to your overlay elements, adjust the effects settings to achieve the desired look, and you will be able to overlay text or images on Alight Motion. Preview and export your project in order to save the video to your device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.